bulldozers removing tents from the homeless encampment in Boston. Neighbors say they hope this is the beginning of the end for a problem that's been largely ignored for too long. The city says the goal is to eventually move people living in that area known as Mass and Cass into permanent housing. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Lisa Hughes.
I'm Paula Eben. David is off tonight. For businesses in that area, which has been plagued for years by drugs and crime, the cleanup crews were a welcome sight. WBZ's Christina Hager is live for us in Boston tonight. And Christina, cleanup is still underway?
Right, Paula, and today was the deadline. Mayor Wu herself had set to get this done, and the timing is good because over the last 2 nights, temperatures have dipped to the single digits with people still sleeping out here. Bulldozers clearing out the remnants of the tent city that had migrated to New Market Square, where there's been an outcry from businesses at the wholesale food terminal.
I hated seeing the tents go up, and I'm thrilled seeing the tents come down because it's a win-win for everyone.
Cleared out here, but the tents remained a couple blocks away at the heart of the encampment that's become known as Mass and Cass, across from a shelter on Atkinson Street where addiction is open and desperation is everywhere.
Anyone would want to not be outside in the cold, you know, and as the days go by, it's getting colder and colder. So at night is the worst times.
Boston Mayor Michelle Wu, who had set this deadline, came through the scene.
Thank you so much.
Promising to help people find places to sleep.
This is not where I want to be in. This is sad.
It's sad. I'm coming here, but I don't like coming here.
Outreach workers from the Boston Public Health Commission and elsewhere trying to help as people pack up tents and belongings. But some are concerned about what happens after the dust settles here and people try to move back.
I think if they stick to that and stay on top of things and nobody gets lax about staying on top of the issues, that this is the start of, potentially the start of a real solution.
You can see Boston Public Works and trash trucks here at the scene. Now, earlier this week, the mayor said the city has moved 83 people from this area into temporary housing with mental health and addiction services. She says there were 62 more spots reserved for others, and there are outreach workers still out here trying to help people out. In Boston, Christina Hager, WBZ News.